Hello, I hope you're having a great day today. So today I want to show you a little system we are developing based on the APIs we had published in the Rapid API marketplace. So the basic idea of those APIs in the marketplace, these ones for example food ingredients by PTI, um, the basic idea for this API is to allow persons, consumers, people in general to know better the risk associated with the foods they are eating, especially with the ingredients in the products labels, and also informing about the possible healthier ingredients they can use to substitute those basic additives or ingredients in the foods. So the lead system, this is just a sample system created in Blazor web assembly just to test how that works. And it has just a basic template and some little changes in the UI that needs to be enhanced, but this is just for demo purposes. So basically what you do is you get a list of common ingredients, you select an ingredient here, you will have several in here. So for example, we select folic acid, we wait a second, I need to fix this, but you will see that there are some associated diseases for folic acid, and the associated diseases are folate deficiency, Alzheimer's disease, fibromyalgia, bladder infections. And if you want to go and see more information, you can go to click on the view more next to the component ID, and it will take you to the PubChem information. Uh, some will not have all the information, like here in this item may be more data that's not there, or it could be changed because the APIs we are using, they don't get all of this information, they just get some. But you can see this to have a better understanding, and you can go to the reference and check the documents to see the evidence. Okay, if we go, for example, to, let's see, I believe salt had something. Let's see. Okay, didn't get anything. Lactose, let's see. It doesn't have anything. Let's go and see this one. Okay, so we see that, for example, for sugar we have the associated diseases, and we also have some information for the alternative ingredients for sugar, basically the ingredients you can use to substitute the sugar. So you could use stevia, you can use honey, you can use maple syrup or syrup, I don't know how to pronounce that, and you can click on the link for the source information, so you can actually check more. Take in consideration that this is just source information, so you need to be very careful of what you read here and check if they have a medical background. So we're just giving the ideas of things that you could do, but that you could use, but you need to research a little bit more probably. If they are not natural, you might need to research better. Um, Even in the case of naturals, depending if you have any disease, you still need to be careful. Okay, for example, see the warning in here, honey, but if you are diabetic, you should keep the honey consumption low. So that's those kind of things you need to be a little bit careful still, depending on your if you have any condition. Okay, so yeah, that's the basic sample. If you want to see it, it's published in here for dangerous.azurewebsites.net. Um, in a few days, we will create. We will host it in our company website in the domain. You will be able to search for it in there when we have this a little bit more um, when we are ready with the development of this website. But that's the basic idea. And if you want to see, if you want to create applications or websites with this functionality, you can go to the food ingredients by API in the Rapid API marketplace. You could use the endpoints we have in here, and we are actually going to add some new endpoints in there. Also, if you would like any more functionality associated with the diseases and alternative ingredients for the food additives and ingredients you are eating, let us know. We will add some in the we'll try to add some of the requested functionality in our APIs. I'll leave the links for this in the YouTube video, so please share and take a look at the channel, see more videos, share them and like them, and let us know any more you would like to know. Remember that we are also creating videos about .NET Core and Azure, specifically programming in Azure with .NET Core, or with .NET Core in .NET Core with Azure. Uh, so yeah, we also leave some link for some training site we are developing, so you can give it a try and let us know any more information that you would like to know. Thank you very much and have a great day.